12 iPhone Hidden Features, 2026 edition. Don't be a basic user. If you're still using your iPhone like it's 2024, you're missing out on about 70% of its power. With the 2026 updates, Apple has hidden some God mode tools deep in the settings that can literally predict what you want to do before you do it. From the new liquid glass shortcuts to Apple Intelligence hacks that save hours of work, I've found over 12 hidden features you actually need to know. Let's get into it. Feature 1. Liquid glass pop-out menus. Explanation: iOS 19 introduced the liquid glass UI. In apps like Safari or Files, don't just tap the bottom bar, swipe up slightly on it. It pops out into a floating mini menu that gives you instant access to your most used settings without leaving the page. It's like a Pro Tools palette for your thumb. Feature 2. Visual intelligence via camera control. Explanation: if you have an iPhone 16 or 17, click and hold the camera control button. It triggers visual intelligence. Point it at a restaurant to see the menu, a plant to identify it, or even a math problem. It taps into ChatGPT 5 or Apple's local models to give you answers instantly without snapping a single photo. Feature 3. Magic Wand Image. Cleanup explanation: in the Notes app, use your finger to draw a rough sketch. Now tap the magic wand in the toolbar and circle your drawing. Apple Intelligence will transform your messy scribble into a high-fidelity, AI-generated graphic that fits your Notes theme. Great for quick storyboarding. Feature 4. Predictive app. Locking explanation: settings greater than privacy, greater than app protection. You can now set Smart Lock. Your iPhone uses AI to learn your location and habits. It will automatically require Face ID for apps like Messages or Photos only when you're in public or around unrecognized devices, but keeps them open when you're home. Feature 5. Voice recognition. Name alert. Explanation: settings greater than accessibility, greater than sound recognition. Turn on name recognition. If you're wearing noise-canceling headphones and someone yells your name, your iPhone or Apple Watch will vibrate and show a notification so you aren't completely tuned out. Feature 6. Digital ID in wallet. Explanation: in over 30 states and 15 countries now, you can add your passport or driver's license to the wallet. But the hidden part? Settings greater than wallet, greater than privacy. You can toggle selective disclosure so that when you show your ID at a bar, it only displays your photo and over 21, hiding your home address and full birth date. Feature 7. Real-time call translation. Explanation: if you're calling someone who speaks a different language, tap the translate icon during the call. Your iPhone will translate your voice into their language and theirs into yours, in real time, using a natural-sounding AI voice. Feature 8. AI email package. Tracking. Explanation: go to the Wallet app. There's a new order tracking tab that automatically scans your mail, locally and privately, to find tracking numbers. It populates a live map of all your incoming packages from Amazon, FedEx, or anywhere else in one spot. Feature 9. Dual capture. Vlogging explanation: the iPhone 17 finally allows dual capture natively in the camera app. Tap the dual icon at the top to record from the 48 megapixel main lens and the new 24 megapixel selfie camera simultaneously. It saves them as two separate files or a picture-in-picture, perfect for reaction videos. Feature 10. AI Lens Cleaning. Hint explanation. Ever wonder why your photos look blurry? Your iPhone now detects smudges on the glass. If the lens is dirty, a small clean lens notification appears in the viewfinder. It sounds simple, but it saves 90% of bad photos. Feature 11. AirPods as a camera remote. Explanation. You don't need a separate shutter remote. If you're wearing AirPods Pro, just press and hold the stem while the camera app is open. It acts as a wireless shutter for both photos and video, perfect for group shots where you're 20 feet away. Feature 12. Adaptive Power Mode. Explanation. Settings greater than battery, greater than adaptive power. Instead of the old low-power mode that just kills performance, this uses AI to predict when you'll reach a charger. It selectively throttles background apps you don't use while keeping your favorites fast. That is the current state of the iPhone in 2026. If you haven't checked your settings lately, half of these are probably waiting for you to toggle them on. Which one was the biggest surprise? Drop a comment below, and if you want my custom Super Siri shortcut, I've linked it in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.